Okay, hi everyone. This is called a kitchen tap ceramic cartridge and it's naff. So I'm going to strip it the best I can and show you. So you need a thin strip. To get it out, it's either a 17mm socket or a good sort of spanner, you know that, on the tap. There's a little screw in the top and that removes the tap, so you pop it off, and this is the red one, so we'll put that to one side. Next thing is to remove the circlip or the clip at the bottom here, using just a screwdriver. Pull him out. There you go. And now you've got to push the body through. It will go. It took a bit of doing the first time. I've had this apart before because I've been looking for spare parts for this, and I'm going to show you something as well. Which, oh yeah, it's going to take a bit of doing. There's a little washer in the bottom there, that comes out. Okay, you can see it's pretty gummed up. Oh yeah, let me just give this a bit of brute force. Oh, it does come. Give me a sec. Right. Oh, blimey, it is stiff. This actual bottom piece actually just, oh, there we go, I got that, just easing it. Okay, now that releases this underneath, which is a washer, which fits and then seals this bottom part, and then this blue washer goes in. I will show you when I put it back together again. Okay, I'll try and get this spot on. Right, and then this pops forward, so you just pop that through. I have to come out a little bit. So that pops forward, leaving this. This is the smooth part, the ceramic part, that rubs on this one as well. So you need to keep them really clean. And when you put it back together, a little tiny bit of Vaseline. So, like that. Then this comes off with a slot in it. So then, if you see, this fits on top of there like so. This is a 1/2 inch quarter turn ceramic insert. Okay, then this comes off, and that would fit on there like so. Then that on top, and in theory that like that, and then this comes out. So this has got several seals on it. As you can see, you've got a seal there which is gone, and this is where the water's pouring out through the top of the tap. So that would sit that way around. So it'd be all like that. Okay. So it would sit like that. And then encased in this. So you've got a seal here. Then you've got the ceramic bit which turns, 1/4 of a turn. Okay. So that sits there. That sits on top of that. That sits like that. Like so. And then this sits like that with that washer there, or seal, with this seal, and then you've got that seal, and then you've got this seal. Now, this is the dilemma. You can buy kits for these, and I have looked everywhere, and I mean everywhere. And the only thing we're going to do with this is I think we're going to have to buy new taps, because this is quite old. It's out of a kitchen in a workplace. I've looked online everywhere, including Amazon and everything, and this particular model, I'll put it back together. So here we go. This is the base. Let me just show you putting it back together. So then we put in the center. That pops in and pops through. You can hold that with the pin now if you want to put the pin back in. And then this part goes on, and it goes in the slot. I'll show you that. So if you turn that round, sorry. There we go. So that slots in that slot. And then the second piece goes on, which is this piece, and that goes in. And that's got to fit in that slot as well. So there, it just pops in. So then you've got a nice little gap there. So that's now seated properly. Now this is a little bit awkward because there is You want the smooth side down, which is that, not that. Okay, and then that, they've got two little grooves on each side. See them? And they line up with two grooves inside there. Just this edge here. Now you want to put them in. Get them right. Oh, it's awkward. Bear with me. Oh, I think I've missed it. You can see that? No, probably not. There you go. They fit into the two little slots, you'll see that. Alright, and then you've got your little seal which is in the bottom of that. Dirty little monkey. That fits on there like so. And that pushes home. Then this seal fits in there like that. And I think they're just old and worn, and then what you do then is just put your clip back on. There we go. And that's it. And that's 1/2 inch, 1/4 turn ceramic insert. Okay. And that's how to take one apart. Now the beauty is we've got to order the taps now. In the UK, I'll show you this. There is multiple, absolutely loads and loads and loads and loads and loads, and I've checked and checked and checked and checked and checked, and there's all different ones, and they're all different sizes. You got different lengths on the shafts. You can see that. I'm going to run the mice over there. Different lengths on these shafts here. They're different. The body's slightly different. And you can get seal kits as well. This is a seal kit. And they don't fit. So I'm going to go to, where are we? These here. These are called pillar high neck sink taps. I don't know if that's they have. They've got the ceramic discs in operation. It says ceramic discs, so they're the same ones. So I'm just going to replace the taps. I know they're expensive, but you can't get the bits, and it's as simple as that. So I'll just give you a heads up here how to strip one. And if they're modern, you can probably get them, but these aren't modern. These are old ones. All right. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. And the subscribe button is over there with the notification bell. And yeah, we'll catch you very soon in the next video. All the best.